Hello everyone, this is William with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to review some maintenance on the boom. I want to go through greasing and hardware inspection and maintenance. So this unit here, we can see different points on here that need grease. So grease point here, sometimes you got to look. This pin here, there's no point here, you got to look in behind here. A lot of customers I've found over the years, they miss the grease points that are way back here, and you can see that obviously I'm standing in a spot where I can't grease it, so you're gonna have to get a ladder. So sometimes we just try to do a quick reach and grease, but we're not getting all the all the grease points. So we need to check and make sure we're doing all those, and we're doing those every 20 to 30 pumping hours. We want to be greasing our boom and our body on the pump. So while you're doing that greasing, it's really important to check out fasteners. There's different locations where there's fasteners here holding the pipeline on, as you can see here. There's also fasteners that hold these pins in place, keepers. As you can see back here, there's a keeper bolt back here. We want to check those, visually check those. Even if you see something that doesn't look right, the paint looks broken, get a wrench out, put a wrench on it, check that torque. That's another good time to check your swivel points. While you're back here, you can see that this unit here is brand new, so there's no concrete here, but if you're seeing concrete here, you want to clean that off, take that apart, clean that gasket, check the elbows, check the clamp, make sure there's no abnormal wear there or an alignment issue. There's also hardware that this clamp gets attached to the boom with. We want to make sure that's tight and torqued. Safety pins are in place. There's a lot of things to check on a boom, and if you're doing that on a weekly basis, you can catch way more things than if you're just going about your business and not paying attention. Another thing I like to point out is we got these hydraulic hoses here and electrical wire. So visually check your hydraulic hoses, make sure there's no oil weeping or wet fittings or anything. Another thing you can see is if the hose is getting rubbed, chafed on anything, and you're starting to see wires. If you start to see wires, those wires get any moisture on them, they'll corrode and then they'll fail, which will cause this hose to potentially fail. Check your wiring. This is wirings for the boom light. Sometimes there's wiring for other options on the boom. So just make sure that the lighting wiring is in good condition. That's a good also time when you're standing at any point of your boom, looking at all the surfaces, seeing if there's any dirt, like there's a dirt line here. Why is that there? That's because there's a pin here, but is there a crack? Is there any corrosion starting to happen? Is there a loose part on the boom that's not supposed to be loose that needs to be taken care of? If you guys see something and you don't know if it's supposed to be like that from the factory, please call our service department and ask us, and we'll let you know the actions to repair that, or if that's a normal case. But yeah, just a focus on the boom and making sure that we keep our equipment in good working order for the years to come. One other thing I was thinking is on these greasable joints, when you are greasing them, if you have a excess grease in a location, make sure you go around with a rag, clean that up, because you don't want that dripping all over your boom and a bunch of grease mess all over your boom when you're cleaning. That's a good time to, when you're cleaning stuff with the rag, to actually see what's under that grease. If there's any sort of damage or something happening that doesn't look right, definitely let us know. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call.